I'll be talking to you guys about NRF trans receivers. Yeah. So, here you go. So this is what an NRF trans receiver looks like. Can't really get this into focus, but you see this little guy right there? Yeah, it sends radio signals to another transmitter or trans receiver, and that's how they communicate. I can tell you that there's two different problems I had working this thing. One of the problems was the connections. These female to male connections can be really finicky, so the connections may not be solid. So you got to use a DMM, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Okay, you have DMM, and you twist the knob all the way onto this. Okay, it's off right now. Okay, you can twist this knob all the way onto the signal. This guy. Okay, and make sure your red cable is in voltage. Okay, and now this is how you do it. Okay, with the other end. Okay, you pinch the pin that's sticking out, as you can see. All right, see that? So you pinch the pin that's sticking out. Okay, pinch it, and then touch it. Okay, touch the other end. And if it's connected, if the connection's solid, you should make a nice sound. And it's not making a sound, so this is bad wire. All right, let me get a good wire. You guys hear that? So when you hear that noise, that means the connection is solid. See that? So that's how you can check your connections to make sure your connections are solid and it's working, okay? And my second problem was that Arduino's, the legit kind, surprisingly, is not really great for NRF trans receivers because they don't have enough current to drive these guys. So what you need is a dyno board. One right here. It says red guy, and I'll put a link. I'll put the link on my video on where to get it. But in this video I'll show you how to make dues with this one. Okay, but the signal is not going to be as strong, so keep that in mind. How this works out. Okay, so you have this NRF transmitter. Trans receiver, my bad, I keep calling it transmitter. But anyways, you have this trans receiver and you flip it, okay? And you guys see those prongs? Yeah. With these prongs, you can use a female to male connector to hook these up. So I'm gonna show you what those look like, okay? Those look like this. See this? And use the other end to insert it into the prong. Insert it. okay, there you go, finally. Alright, there you go. Alright guys, I'll be putting the program under the link below. So this is the pinout for the NRF. So this NRF has 8 pins, and this diagram corresponds to each pin, each pin name and its input. So here's a little demo right here. As you can see, CSN goes to pin number 8. Alright? And you just follow this diagram and put them on there. Okay? So, and it's the same for the both receiver and the transmitter. Okay? There you go, guys. And what's so cool about these little things what's so cool about these guys is that it can be used as a trans receiver. It's a trans receiver, so it can be a transmitter and a transmitter and a receiver. Okay, so hey guys, now I'll show you how to pin this out to the pinouts. So this is the diagram again. Okay, so I'm gonna set this up here and let's do this. Okay, so I'm gonna unplug this, and as you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 connections. Okay, this is VCC. Okay, you see that? This is VCC, CK, and finally this is MISO. Now, as you can see, I noted the pinout numbers on the side. Okay, so let's show you. Let's do this. Okay. All right. So ground, green, which is MISO, and it's gonna go in between black and orange. There you go, guys. Let me zoom in for you. Can you guys see that? Yep. Cool. There you go. So, yep. This is it. See that, guys? Turn this around. Basically, I have this example code, okay, that I got from the website, and this code sets one Arduino as a transmitter and another Arduino as a receiver, okay. And I'll hook. Okay, all right. This Arduino is going to be my receiver, and this is how you plug. If you don't know, this is how you plug your Arduinos. Okay, you get this in. Okay, you plug it in here. So. Transmitter, and there's gonna be two different code. There's gonna be it says transmit testing video. Okay, I'm gonna plug that in. You compile it. Let me close this, guys. All right, and then upload it. And when it's done uploading, okay. Okay, so since this is my transmitter, I'm just gonna take this off and hook it up to an external battery source. So right here, I have an external battery source. I'm gonna hook this up to my Arduino. Okay. Now I'm gonna hook up my other Arduino, and this is gonna be my receiver. Okay. Keep this in mind. This is a transmitter, so you can work both ways. But I'm doing this to make sure my radios work. Okay. You always want to check that your radios work before you write your own code. All right. This is my receiver. I'm gonna compile it. I'm gonna upload it and go in the serial monitor, okay? And make sure you have this baud right, okay? Or else you're gonna see anything. Alright, let's see what happens. I'm gonna plug this code in, I'm gonna plug my transmitter to a power, and it should start sending it should start sending an integer from 100, and it's gonna add 1 to 100, and it's gonna loop, okay? So it's on, it's live. Come on. Oh, see, that wasn't working because one of my pins was out. Alright, let me plug this guy back in. Hope that's it? No, that's the wrong one. Okay, that's right. Alright, that's right. Okay, should be working right now. It's not working. Hold on, this is the button to restart your code. Okay, restarting. Alright. There you go, it's working. Look at that. Look at that, it's so cool. Super sweet. I'm receiving data. Woo! Yep, there you go. Isn't that cool? And you can easily, add on your own code and do what you feel. So, yeah. So let's switch to my computer and I'll walk you guys through the code and how it works, okay? So you go to this website called arduino-info.wikispaces.com. I'll put the link below, and you go all the way down to it tells you where all what these are, and this is the antenna I had. This is the dyno board. Yeah, so I'll try to get that, and it stresses the power problem. So you'll have a power problem if you're using a normal Arduino board, so be careful about that. And let's go down all the way to the software and the libraries, okay? So you click this button, and this is it, okay? You have the zip file, and this is how you add your zip file. So once you have downloaded this, you'll have a zip file, and this is how you add. You go to file, alright, you go to sketch, you go to include library, and you add zip library, okay? You press it, find where your zip file is. It's probably gonna be under downloads, and there it is. There's nrf zip master.zip, and you just press it and you choose, and then you're